G'day guys and welcome to today's NY market update video. Hit the like button guys before I get underway. Also leave a comment down below. Let me know how you went during today's London session. Did you get involved in trades? Some of you did, well done. Some of you took some nice wins. For me, I was obviously a little late to the stream as per usual Tuesday. Was looking for gold sell limit orders and didn't quite get triggered in. So the analysis was correct. Just missed entry on a few occasions, but nonetheless, good test of patience and discipline and just sticking to my game plan. Good thing is now on gold. So as I mentioned in the end of the stream, formed a resistance within the current daily candle, which has been trending to the downside at this level at 2318.585. We've recently just pulled back up and rejected just below that level. So now we're basically essentially just consolidating between a daily low and the resistance formed at that level I mentioned, 2318.535. Now the options for me on gold would be right now, so I'd be removing this area, this zone. What we've done in the previous candle is close back a bearish candle, that long wick to the upside, confirming potentially confirming a lower high. And again, if the current candle closes back weak bullish, and then on the following candle, price begins to break the weak bullish candle's low. Got some pretty clean traffic in the 15-minute. That could give an option, so that will require waiting for this candle to close. Hopefully the video is uploading time. And I feel that'd be a really decent option to continue in line with the trend to the downside, retest the current daily candle's low. Now, aside from that, see our price, if it does pull back to 2318, if it rejects, you can look for the sells from higher up. Or if it begins to pop above it, then what you can say is bouncing off what was the 4-hour support and breaking the resistance form within the daily candle. If we were to continue bearish, we have no need to break it, close above it, and continue. So that would be the confluence look for the buyers. Otherwise, I'd be preferring the sells. Whoever sells below the support here, I feel also could be an option. More concerned by the bullish candles low, not the bearish candles low. The bullish candles, the candle that forms support, confirm support, not the bearish candles, they confirm resistance. So sells below 2308.67 are still valid in my opinion, but doesn't mean I just sell stop it. I'd like to see our price approach that nice strong closure below. If that was to be the case. Today's goal, GJ, same analysis applies as per the stream. So right now it's rejecting, probably could have got, by the looks of it, a cheeky 10 based on that previous 30-minute closure. Did reject. That was the analysis on stream for it rejects that resistance formed around the current daily candle's high, and we remain below. It could be sell options. You probably just had a sell option just there, but I wasn't on the chart for it. So what I'd be looking for now is, once again, price pops above the resistance in 197.066. When traffic to the left, likely to head back up. Doesn't mean I'm going to make the whole big move and retrace yesterday's massive drop. Could do so. Anything can happen really, but it's more probable that we will make at least an impulse to the upside. We'll begin and close above that resistance at 197.066. Now we'll be moving out above the current daily candle side, breaking down this range. So it's added confluence. Otherwise, if we begin to pop back down towards the support, I look for price to form a support above that 196.22 for a potential buy, or around that 196.20 sort of level. And if we begin to pop below the support form that around the current daily candle's low, and there is a high probability to come back down to the next support a little bit further down. So that is your options on GJ, basically the same as per the stream. GU looking very similar to GJ at the moment, so rejected. Bit of a mess, GU, to be honest. I don't really like it. I'd be looking for buys from lower down. Otherwise, I'd just be playing the 4-hour range right now, in all honesty. Wait to see if price pulls back up to the 4-hour resistance to sell it. It's right in the middle of this 4-hour range right now, and it's not trending in any real clear direction. It looks like it wants to move up and then it rejects. So it would be even more choppy in 15. So for me, I just wait for it to reach one of those levels, patiently wait and look for potential options either side of it, or obviously below the resistance or above the support for your options. Now onto NAS, finally. So it's broken the current daily candle low. It's just formed a support at that level. So NAS Similar to gold, but not as much volume just yet. Trading to the downside within the current daily candle. So if we begin to break the support form that a current daily candle is low, there is a high probability at that point there we will continue to the downside, coming to a higher time of volume just now for NAS, around close to pre-MY, into MY open. So that for me would be a good option to sell it. Now as for the buys, I don't really see any clear buys at this present stage. I mean, got resistance at 17786.58, maybe above that level. Not sure if you have the margin. I'd rather just, yeah, I think I'd, tricky one on that. Let me look at it in 30. So the 30 looks better above the previous count for resistance. I think that's probably the best option. Price begins to close above 17780.14. Yeah, it's a tricky one, as I'm not comfortable with that too, to be honest. And if that is the case, if I'm not comfortable, then what I prefer to do is just wait for the higher probability sell. And that, in my opinion, would be right now. Exact same as per the stream. Either pull back up, reject 17.8012 roughly, and look for my caps to sell it back down. Otherwise, sells below current daily candles low. You form support that level. If you are to continue to the upside, you should respect it. No need to pop below it. You likely head back down and buys from lower down. That is just, that's it. That's all I'll be looking for in NAS. So just a quick one today. Once again, do trade safe, guys. Some really high impact news to come moving forward. Let's just suss that out quickly. So we got employment cost index for the US dollar. Then there's consumer confidence, obviously a big one to come, and leading into a massive day tomorrow with ADP, followed by FOMC, obviously PMI as well. It's going to be a massive end to the week on news wise. So do trade safe. Gold looks the best in my opinion right now. Let me know how you went. Once again, leave a comment down below. Let me know how you went during the London stream. And hit the like button. I will see you guys tomorrow. Cheers. Bye for now.